What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So before we start today's video, we wanted to let you guys know that we are doing our first ever t-shirt release on the website. It's going to be diamondsonabudget.bigcartel.com, and we do have 4 variations that's available. They're right over here. Let me show you guys what we have. So this is the shirt that we're launching. It says "Stay Good" right here, and in the back it has the same logo but in a bigger version. We also have it in white with black letters. Personally, this is my favorite. This is the gray tie-dye and it has the logo in black. So something cool about these shirts is that each one of them was made right here in this garage. We screen printed them and also did the tie-dyeing all ourselves. So each item that you guys will get is created just for you. And also this logo right here is hand drawn. I went ahead and did a whole bunch of different variations of it, and I chose which I thought was the best one, which is this one right here. I went ahead and transferred it to the computer, made the stencil, and here we are. I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are excited to receive yours in the mail. So if you want to go ahead and cop one, make sure you do so in the description down below. So today we're going to be installing some parts that I had laying around since Christmas. It's been a while, but we have some things to unbox. So first we're going to be installing this. It's a super cool new steering wheel Blaine got me for Christmas. And it looks, hold on. And it looks just like this. It's one of the Hitman style steering wheels, and I think it looks super cute, especially with the pink. I'm trying to make my interior light pink, so this matches perfectly with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. So I already went ahead and started to take everything apart. This is the old steering wheel that used to be here, so I just took this one off. And we also went ahead and cut up the clock spring so that way we can have the horn working. So it's just this brown wire right here, and then we have another brown wire that's about the same size, and we connected it to each other. I still have to go ahead and solder this, but this is just a little explanation and a little explanation of what we did. We have one of these little connectors at the end so that way we can connect it to the back of the horn. So I'm just gonna go ahead and feed this through so I can get it to the back of the horn. Oh, shoot. Here we go. And I'm just gonna leave a little bit more just so that way it has a little bit of slack. So I'm gonna go ahead and solder everything together. So now that all the wires are good to go, I'm gonna go ahead and put the steering wheel on. So everything is wired up. I'm gonna go ahead and test to make sure that the horn works. So now we're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this together. So Blaine also went ahead and wired up this resistor. It's not going to stay like this. It was just like this so we can test if it works. And it turned off the airbag light that was over here. So after he wired this up, we put the key inside, turned it to on, went ahead and closed the door, opened it, pressed this little button 7 times, and then started the car, and watch this. So now there's no airbag light on, this is just the brake. So now when I'm driving, there's gonna be no dash lights. It sounds crazy, but it actually works. So if you have that problem, go ahead and try that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish putting all these wires together and making it all nice so we can go ahead and put this whole piece back together. So this is what the steering wheel looks like now that everything has been put back together, and it looks so much better than the white one. So we also have one more thing to unbox, and this is gonna be the matching shift knob. So we're gonna go ahead and take off this old one. This is just the OEM one that came with the car when we bought it. we're still figuring out what we're gonna do with this. That's why it's not in its place right now. We don't know if this is a good idea for where these paddle valves should go, just because the angle that the lines have to be at, it makes it leak a little bit. And also I need to get a new one of these shift boots, but it works out well for the wiring, because for the chargers, because I just stick it through the pukas. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and put this one on. So now both the steering wheel and the shift knob is installed, and I think it looks so cute. Oh, if you guys also miss the Stay Good heart Surikawas that we dropped, we just restocked a couple on the website. So if you guys are interested, these are $15 and they have free shipping. So go ahead and cop them while you can. So let me give you an update on how the car is right now. So first, I went ahead and took off the flares just because I wanted to redo them. I didn't wait for the car to air up one day and I accidentally messed it up. So I had to go ahead and redo the body work on that. So that's why this is off. It's on the trunk right now. I finished it. I just need to go ahead and put it back on top of the car. And then I went ahead and sanded down and primered the whole quarter panel, because as you guys know, when it caught on fire, this whole section up to about right here, the paint got burnt. So I had to sand everything down just so that way when we go ahead and paint the car, those pieces don't chip off. And also I had to take quite a bit of camber out of the front so that way this car can be drivable. So this is how it is right now. It's about negative 10, 11 degrees. And the rear is less, it's about negative 8. So that's where we're at right now. Later on we'll go ahead and maybe see if we can do other adjustments, because I want to add the camber back, but if not, I'm fairly okay with how it is right now. So the car is about ready to get prepped for paint, so we'll be doing that soon. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for rocking with us. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so down below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.